My name is Witter and I'm Chief Customer Officer with DyeMansion. Yeah, the partnership with Nexa is all about industrialization, driving the industrialization of additive manufacturing. So we join forces to automate the full additive manufacturing process chain from powder management to the final part. And Nexa is a perfect partner because we have a strong strategic overlap. For Nexa, what I learned is it's all about automation, sustainability, and throughput. So all these three factors have a strong overlap with us. For us, it's all about automation, sustainability, and high throughput. Nexa just launched their new platform, the QLS A20 platform, and they bring the platform to the market. It's not a printer only. They have attached automated powder management, they have the printer, and they provide an HEV platform to connect following processes. So it's a very natural and logical step that we collaborate to connect the Nexa3D platform together with our automated print-to-product workflow. With our industrialization, improvement and increasement, we will definitely drive quality, we will reduce cost per part, increase speed of production, and support quality production. Nexa has an integrated, let's say, open system to collect all the data. They call it their dashboard. And that is absolutely necessary to document all the quality criteria that you need for full traceability of industrial manufactured parts.